Hello, I'm Mark Wilson from QARC Systems. The purpose of this video is to communicate to all manufacturers and suppliers exactly what architects and designers really require when it comes to computer BIM files in general, but more specifically Autodesk Revit. If that sounds like something of interest to you, then stick around. The first problem we designers are faced with is where are the 3D BIM files actually hidden? Although no doubt obvious to the website designer, locating 3D BIM content is often a frustrating game of hide and seek for anyone not familiar with the website taxonomy. Sometimes it's hidden in plain view on a splash screen which we don't see. Why is that? Because we're looking on the ribbon, desperately trying to find where they are. Are they under downloads? Are they under projects? Under technical? If they're not, where are they? The problem is there is no consistency as there is no industry standard. Are we supposed to intuitively know we're supposed to go to products and then click on the basin and then click on the basin and then click on download and then go to download and then actually save it to somewhere? There is no industry standard where to locate information for designers on the ribbon. So the files could be located under products, as I've just shown, or they could be under technical, downloads, projects, designers, CAD files, data, the list goes on. Maybe they are hidden in plain view over here, under industry professionals or some other strange, obvious tab. Then when you finally found your way through the mire and you think, this is where the BIM files are, under downloads. Often you can't simply just download it. No, you'll have to register and then set up an account, laboriously fill out the form with yet another password. Then you have to submit and wait for an email confirmation before you can finally log back in. And then you can go down to the RFA and download it and then save it somewhere. Great, now you can finally download what you think you want. Let's go to that particular file. Then you have to find somewhere that you can actually put the file. Generally you need somewhere that you can find again, because invariably it will be in a zip format, which you will have to come back to and unzip. So you now downloaded that zip file. What you have to do now is actually find the zip file again, find the generic basin, unzip it, and then save that into a specific family somewhere under a product range so that you can find it again in the future. Obviously, this becomes a little bit unwieldy unless you really have a good taxonomy in place, so that in future you can actually navigate your way to each of those appliances that you're looking for, and in future you can actually then find that particular product. If you don't have that in place, you have to go back to here again, find your password, go through the whole process and start the dance once more. It gets worse when manufacturers don't recognize that their materials need to be mapped. Without appropriate mapping on these materials, they will not display correctly in black and white, and certainly won't display correctly as a rendered appearance. You actually have to map these particular files in your program files under each of these subdirectories for that actually to work. Most people don't even know where that directory is, let alone how to do that. But that's not the worst problem with many manufacturers' Revit content. Manufacturers don't seem to understand that designers do not want cladding or sheeting or veneers in separate files. If they're only available as a single material, we have to assemble the structure and materials into one family system. We simply don't have the time to assemble the families. Designers would really prefer to have their system families pre-assembled for us in all possible permutations, all correctly mapped in black and white or in color. That way we can simply select the complete wall, roof or floor systems we typically require. Designers require and deserve something better. We should be able to search without having to log in somewhere. find a particular product we're looking for, actually on a frame, preview it, drag it and drop it straight into the product, into the project. Have a look at it, see what it's like in hidden line, consistent colors, shaded, realistic. Be able to interrogate the product, see that it's actually specified correctly, see what it's made out, where the manufacturer is, check out what the mapping of the materials are, thermal performance, and even if we really want to, just go to the website and find some more information on it. Should be as simple as that. Decide, drag, drop, and design. Done. So there you have it. There's the old and slow and frustrating way, and the quick and simple QARC way. Go to QARC Systems to download the free QARC for Revit plugin and try it for yourself today. Please like and share this video and spread the word so that every manufacturer can understand what designers require. Then QARC for Revit can save both designers and manufacturers time and effort. Why not send us an email of what manufacturers you'd like to see using our portal? Let us help you so we can all get back to doing what we love, design. Remember, the QARC plugin is available online for free. Go to www.quarksystems.com.au. Once you have downloaded our free QARC for Revit plugin, check out the other free stuff that is available. We have a massive library of generic families. There is a good default template which will help get you started. And of course, you get immediate access to all the manufacturer's content that recognize the benefits of our drag and drop portal. Don't have a full copy of Revit yet? Talk to our preferred BIM solutions partner at cadgroup.com.au. Thank you.